Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hey, let mommy talk. Mommy stone, okay? Mommy stone.
Okay, so sorry, we apologize for the hiatus.
Hi
but
guys.
It's been a while since
Hi
I
guys.
actually
Hi
spoke.
guys.
I know you've seen our other videos, it's just been little snippets, but we were working on this. So welcome back. And today we actually...
So, what's it going to be? You want to tell them? Reveal what we have?
Oh, I'll reveal. So after our two beautiful boys, we're finally going to have our girl. She'll be here in September. So that's kind of the reason why we haven't really been on. It's been a lot of stress working, all that jazz. So you understand. But we wanted to quickly come up here today just to do something really cute. Something like this I've seen on TV. Timothy wants to be a part of it, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
No, you gotta look at the camera, Papa. Hi, guys. Hey. 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 Timmy just got a haircut yesterday, but he wasn't cooperative, so this is the best we could do. He looks like he's in between going to the army and about to box. So I don't know. Right, Timmy? Right, Timmy. Timmy. Right, Timmy. All right. So I don't know how much he's gonna allow me to pick this up because he's holding on to it, but we'll do it together, right? Daddy went to go and get. Oh, I can have it. Oh, thank you. Let's give you something else to play with. There's a bunch of toys on the floor now. So it is what it is. Okay, you want to play with this one? Alright. Maybe that'll keep his attention. So, Richie's not feeling too well, so Daddy's gonna blow up Alright, so that he can just play, keep his energy up. He's had a temperature since yesterday, so we've been giving him Tylenol and we're giving him like baths and stuff like that. So he has this weird cough. We're monitoring it. It's every now and then that cough's coming. It has like a hollow. I don't know how to explain it, but next time it happens, I want to record it. So I'm a little winded. So yeah. So Daddy's gonna blow up the whirlpool. So he quickly ran out to get this pump, and it's a hose. Yeah, it's a hose that grows to 50 feet, and it's a pocket hose, top brass, the second. So we saw it on TV. So
the guy says like when you're done with the hose, you turn off the water, it shrinks back again.
Oh, cool. So we don't have to worry about rolling it back up like those regular blue ones, the one we had before. It just looks awful because who wants to roll it back up after it's done? You're done with it. So
also, I think that because of the it has full power, like you twist the nozzle and then it gives you full power, like in case you want to power wash something. I don't know how strong it is.
It says, sorry Baba, it says removable brass spray nozzle with 3 adjustable settings. And then let me see.
It was kind of expensive too.
Yeah, how much was this?
$29.
Alright, so $20.99. So this guy is exposing my life.
So we'll tell you guys if it's worth buying or not.
Right, we'll let you know how it works. It's early. It's like 7:50 in the morning. The kids really haven't had breakfast. All they've had is like the breakfast chocolate milk. I like to give them that in the morning. And then I'm going to do waffles and scrambled eggs for them. And then I'm going to give this guy right here that's why he's a little bit more energetic throughout the night. Like that cough. So if you guys heard that cough and leave a comment on what you think it sounds like. But it's Sunday and his doctor's office is closed. Urgent care will be open up around 9 or 10ish here. And we live really close to the major hospital. Like literally it's behind our house. But the emergency room, as you guys know, emergency rooms it's horrible, even for peds. They take them in right away, but they still take their time. What's going on? What happened?
This is pacified.
What happened? You want to do this? You carry it? Carry. So Timmy is, he's strong. He is 16 months old, so he's doing really good, but he still doesn't sleep through the night, guys. And he's very clingy and he's biting me. He's very, very clingy to me all the time.
And he loves to dance.
He loves to dance. Watch this kid try to get out of this car seat by himself. But, I'm just showing you guys. Don't worry, we don't let him do this on his own. But yeah. All right. Alright guys, so that's my little introduction for this morning. I'm going to get to it and make breakfast. If you guys have any video suggestions that you want to see, I'm thinking about doing like a cleaning, like a speed cleaning, how I organize the house. Working full time, typically, honestly, we leave the house the way it is and then try to clean it up on the weekends. But with number 3 on the way, coming shortly in September, I don't know how that's gonna be. So, and then I'll do like a delivery, like a labor and delivery situation, and then I probably would do like what's in my hospital bag, and then I'm pretty much will be able to do like a day in the life of 3 under 3 while I'm on maternity for a while. So yeah, that's it. See you guys later.
Let's chop. Let's chop.
Did you finish your hot chocolate?
No.
You want more?
No.
If you want to go to the pool, you have to drink some more, okay?
Yay.
Oh, okay. No, don't sit there. Don't sit there. All right. I love you, you love me. We're one happy family. We're a great big heart and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Finger out a rosy, box full of roses. I don't even know the words of the song. What's it? What are the words? We all fall down. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? What? So you found the box? Yeah? I thought someone was looking at me.
Something that you would do.
okay? Hold on.
You have to sit down. Timmy.
So what's that sit on TV thing?
Let's tap these letters. A, T,
Hey, Papa.
M.
How you doing? You wanna say hi to the people?
Nice job.
So what are you doing? Are you okay? I love you, okay? Okay? Feel better, okay?
Writing dirty.
No, that's mine.
You're already writing dirty.
I'm gonna share with your brother, okay? You have the tablet. You have the tablet.
Uh-oh. Tim.
Hey.
How small you are. You gonna Papa Willie? She gonna Papa Willie? You gonna put his bicycle? No. You wanna go to sleep? No. You wanna eat? You want yummy? Timmy.
Tim.
You can't get out? You need help? Still help? Alright, you're going after your brother now. No?
So guys, it's been a while, and recently I've been working on the new deck setup. And this time around I need like dual monitors. I needed a monitor that had like good color reproduction for editing the videos. And also I'd like to give a shout out to Autonomous for sending over the Autonomous Desk 2. It's like a smart desk that has like a couple of presets, or you could change the presets yourself. Don't mind my cable management, I'm still working on that. So that's how it works. You press it. There's a sit and stand desk as well, so probably if you want to stand and work on your stuff. And that's it. And that's the current video I'm working on right now. And I was working on the audio interface as well. So it will be done in a couple of hours. And for me, that's it. Oh, guys, Timmy.
Don't fight, you guys.
Oh, Timmy.
Oh, Timmy's fighting. about to go to urgent care real quick and just check on Richie.
Have the physician listen to his lungs.
Yeah, so they're gonna check his. I just want to check his lungs just to make sure there's no congestion there because the cough feels like there's phlegm. But if anything, we'll take him to his regular doctor tomorrow when they open. But I really want us to go to urgent care, just get it checked out real quick. And the urgent care is really quick here, so oh, there's a bug. And then we're gonna go to Costco and get diaper wipes. And that's pretty much our day, just to keep, to get out the house and explore. All right, so I'll see you guys later.
You gonna see the doctor today? Then, what's up? You already eating the stuff? You hungry?
I'm hungry.
So what are we getting here?
We just came for diapers.
So that. Oh, okay.
But of course, we have to find other things to get.
Okay. Timmy.
I have to get juice. Get apple juice.
Here's a hi guys. Tastes good. You know what I'm eating? Okay.
Alright.
Okay, what do you want to tell the guys? Well, let's go. What else?